Welcome to Dynamics 365 hierarchical data, such as headquarters plus branches and much, much more. So what we can do in Dynamics is we can have parents and child relationships. So we can see we've got a company here, we've got Primark, and then we've got several sites or branches of Primark, which we've got here as well. But we can see this little icon to the left, all of these have got a hierarchy. And if I click onto the Has Hierarchy button for Primark, it will bring up a visual representation of how all of these are linked together, which is great and really, really helpful. I can see who the primary contact is, I can see who the owner is, and I can see any revenue from that business as well. If I were to click into Primark Limited, then if I just scroll down here, I can see that I've got child accounts of this record. So this is where you can specify where the child account should link to the parent account. If I were to click into Primark Newcastle, for example, then I can see that Primark Newcastle has a parent account of Primark, and that's how the relationship comes to effect. And so anytime you want to specify a child record, you need to specify the parent account that it belongs to. So Primark Newcastle, Primark Manchester, so on and so forth, they've all got Primark Limited as their parent. So if I was just to open my record set here and go to Manchester, we can see we've got Primark there as the parent account. Click back into the Primark Limited parent account, we can obviously see that the parent account is blank for this one here. So it's very simple to put the hierarchy in place for account records. You can just specify in the record itself what the parent account is, and that builds the relationship. And then you can start to have a look at the hierarchical relationship visually, which is really helpful to understand what's going on with your data. But you can do this in other parts of the system as well. You can do it with contacts, and you can do it with service cases, and there's other hierarchical places in the system that you can build this as well. So if that's something you're interested, that's something we can help with. But it's a great way to understand the hierarchical data within the system, both visually and an easy way to navigate all records within Dynamics.